Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Igbe here. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. I'm back with new remote job leads, and in today's video, we're going to be focusing primarily on healthcare jobs. I do have opportunities with Health First. I have opportunities with Cigna. We also have a part-time opportunity as well. We're going to be diving right in. Before we do that, I want to take a moment to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for continuing to support this channel. Please continue to share with your friends and families so that we can continue to grow this community, to continue to empower and improve ourselves. Let's dive right into the opportunities for today's video. The first one we are going to be talking about is a collection specialist role, and this opportunity is a fully remote role, was just recently posted, and it is with Access. It's going to be focusing on working with different clienteles to manage different accounts, from statement preparation to dispute resolution and so forth, making different collection calls on a daily basis. You're going to be working very closely to ensure any type of paperwork related to bankruptcy or debt, making sure that those paperwork reconcile in the system. In addition to that, you're going to be helping to track and resolve different issues, especially with regards to payments, really escalating accounts as needed, and so forth. Those are the primary responsibilities for this role. Expectations or requirements: they're asking for high school diploma or equivalent. Minimum of 2 years of collection experience is what they are looking for. So if you have worked in billing before, collections before, or dispute resolution before, this would be a good opportunity to consider. And the education requirement, again, is just high school diploma. So that is it for this particular role. The salary, based on my research, is about $40,000 to $60,000 per year. The minimum is $40,000. Maximum is about $60,000 to $65,000 per year. So that is the salary. So we're going to move on to the next opportunity, which is with Cigna. Cigna is looking for a nurse, a review nurse clinician, to work from home anywhere within the U.S. to help review express scripts, coverage, medication coverage. So this individual is going to be focusing on performing research to help advise different patients on how to take their medication and also how to better manage their health, really focusing on utilization management. But you're going to be working very closely with pharmacists as well as physicians. What they are asking for is for this individual to be a licensed registered nurse. So bachelor's degree is preferred, but even if you do not have a bachelor's degree, as long as you have a license, you will still be considered. They're asking for somebody that has 5 years or more clinical experience, knowledge, and so forth, proficiency in technical skills. So somebody that can use different computer systems, because you're going to be using different systems, healthcare systems that Cigna utilizes to manage different patients, their utilization management systems. They're expecting you to be familiar as well with Microsoft Office products, because you're going to have to use Outlook, for example, for emails and so forth. So that is it for this particular role. They are offering $29 to $49 per hour. That is the salary. Again, $29 to $49 per hour is the salary for this role. With this opportunity, you will be eligible for an annual bonus in addition to your salary. So that's something to keep in mind. They do offer 401k and other benefits as well. So the $29 to $49 per hour, the bracket is pretty wide, but I think the reason for that is that it involves a lot of considerations, such as where you live, as well as the number of years of experience you're bringing to the table will sort of determine where you fall within that bracket. All right. So one of the things to keep in mind too is that they do provide you with internet and also provide you with equipment. So keep that in mind. Cigna provide you with equipment as well as pay for your internet. So as long as the internet is specifically used for your work, then you should be eligible to receive payment or subsidy towards your internet services. All right, so we're going to move on to the next role. The next role is with a census. They are looking for a document specialist. So a census is looking for a document specialist. This is a temporary role and it is a fully remote opportunity as well. With this opportunity, you're going to be responsible for documenting different information in different systems from an audit perspective. It's probably a temporary role because when audit season, which is around this time up until early next year, a lot of health insurance companies' facilities are being audited. So they're constantly looking for people to come on board and temporarily help them with sourcing information from different systems and kind of bringing different systems up to date. So that is primarily what it is. So they want to manage discrepancies and they want to discover those discrepancies ahead of their audit period. So with this opportunity, again, as I mentioned, you're going to really be focusing on data entry type of task. That is what this role is. Requirements, they're asking for 4-year degree or equivalent bachelor's degree in business, finance, or related field. They are also asking about familiarity with Microsoft Office, software applications, including Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and Visio, ability to work overtime and meet the needs of the business. So that is it for this particular role. It's open and accepting applications right now. All right, the next opportunity, which is with Tarrytown Expo Care Pharmacy, is looking for a part-time remote pharmacy technician. You are going to be focusing on data entry, but primarily on pharmacy. So you will be doing refills. You're going to be handling different scripts that come in, managing those, ensuring that they have been filled correctly, and also if clarifications are needed, reaching out to the respective doctor office that prescribed or send the script in, even reaching out to the patients themselves and so forth. What are the requirements? They're asking for 1 year experience in retail or long-term care pharmacy. 3 years is preferred, but that is the minimum they're asking for is 1 year. They are also looking for somebody that is board certified in a pharmacy technician license, that has that, someone who is able to type on average 60 words per minute and so forth. So, and somebody who is able to navigate and their way through a computer, able to kind of do repetitive motion type of functions or job is what is required for this particular opportunity. The last opportunity for this video is also a pharmacy position. This particular role is titled Provider Services Specialist and it is 100% remote. With this opportunity, you are going to be working actively with different contracts. You're going to be making sure that, services like home infusion or other pharmacy specialty service providers, kind of working with those to ensure that the contracts are up to date and to ensure that all the needs of members are being accommodated. This individual is also going to work to connect and have positive relationship to allow for more providers to onboard Health First network. This individual is going to be helpful in negotiating single case agreements. So basically out of network type of services that needs to be received by patients that are maybe out of area due to geographic restrictions. So really just focusing primarily on pharmacy. What they're asking for requirements wise, high school diploma, they're asking for computer navigation skills, Microsoft Word and Excel. They are looking for people that have strong analytical skills, focusing on data to sort of showcase different patients and how much impact the program has had in their healthcare. Preferred experience, they want 3 years working with managed care contract, but it's a preference. So even if you don't have that, you are still eligible to apply. They also talk about someone who's able to prioritize, multitask. Bachelor's degree is what they are requiring as well. The salary range is between $65,000 and $94,000. If you live in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, $65,000 to $94,000 per year. And for those that are outside of the greater New York area is $58 to $86,000 per year. They do offer other benefits as well: 401k, dental, vision, medical, and so forth. So all of that are part of the benefits that come with this role. So those are the opportunities, guys. I hope you find these leads helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. Till next time, best of luck to you as you apply. Take care, guys. Bye bye.